This is James Salsa, otherwise known as Burpy Burps or King Burpy. He is the world's most famous star, and he has over 15 million subscribers on YouTube. This is his story and how he came to be. Another day, and I'm still not famous. Oh, I haven't burped 3 times in a row. Ever? Yeah, I am looking for an appointment on January 27th. Wait. You can't. That day's not free. I'll come now then. Hey. Hello? Oh. Hi James, nice to meet you. Hi there, Dr. Stingy. So, I've burped more than 100 times today, and I was wondering what is wrong with me. So, do you know any diseases or stuff? Well, James, it's actually very simple. You have got a disease, so what's the disease called, Mr. Stingy? You have been diagnosed with the disease called Burpy Aura. Burpy Aura? What on earth is that? That doesn't exist, Doctor. Aha! There we go. You've got it. So, you don't think it exists because it's the rarest disease in the world. You are right now the only person on planet Earth with that disease. Well, is there like a medication I can take or something? Yeah, no, there isn't one, sorry. Wow, you really are such a douche. Bye-bye. You're irrelevant. Bye-bye. Irrelevant. I'm going to show this James to the whole world. And so there he goes. He's going to show his so-called talent to the world of YouTube. Hello there, fellow YouTubers. My name is James Salsa, and I have recently been diagnosed with a very rare disease called Burpy Aura. You may think, James, but that doesn't exist. That's because it's the rarest disease in the world, and I'm the only person on planet Earth with it. So that is all I wanted to share, and bye-bye, I guess. He thought very hard of a name to name himself on YouTube. He couldn't be called James Salsa, but then it came to him. The idea of Burpy Burps. I would also like to call myself Burpy Burps. Thank you and bye-bye now. So he stopped recording and posted the 50-second long video onto the platform YouTube. But did he know that he would grow 1 million subscribers overnight? That's a crazy amount of subscribers for one person. It's not real. It's not real. I mean, it's not a dream. That means I'm famous! Oh, my phone's ringing. Hello? Hello, Burpy Burps. We would like to call you in for a meeting at the Famous People Academy. We'll fly you out to LA. Don't you worry. Get to the airport now. But first we need to... sort some stuff out.
Hello? Hello?